Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn banner using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design your own using simple steps. Let's dive in. First, open Canva and search for a LinkedIn background photo or banner. In the design section, it will automatically show you a large number of ready-to-use templates. We're going to use a template to begin with. Let's use this one. Change the color. I think I'll go with this one. Drag this text here. Replace with your name. And this one too. This will be what you do. And these are your contact information. Now let's add a circle shape. This one looks good. Drag it here. Delete this. Resize it. Now rotate it. Add a circle frame. Place it over the circle shape and resize it to fit. I'm just going to find a profile picture in the elements. Make sure to use your own. Put it in the frame. Adjust the size and position. That looks good. Adjust it a bit more. I want it to look like a pop-out picture. Go to Edit, scroll down to Shadows. I'm going to add a shadow effect and adjust its size and amount to suit the overall look. Finally, add your text, your name, contact information, job title, or anything you think will enhance your profile. Replace all of these texts with your own information. Duplicate this and drag it here. We'll write a small bio or promotional phrase here or something similar. Adjust the alignment, font, and size. Add some text effects to make it more visually appealing. And that's it. Here's a quick recap of what we have done today. Open Canva and search for a LinkedIn banner. Selected and customized a ready-made template. Changed colors and moved text elements into place. Added and edited shapes, including a circle and a circle frame. Inserted and adjusted a profile picture. And finally added text, customized alignment, font, and effects. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.